My dear children, as I told before, this module deals with functions with arguments and return type. We can return values from a function using return keyword. The return value must be used at the calling place. Either it stores in any of the variable, or you can use it with the print statement, or you can use it with any of the expression. That is, if a function having a return value, that must be used either as a variable or in a print statement or in any of the expression. The function with the return, here I am giving the example. Def cube. By the name itself it is very clear. Here we are defining a function for finding cube of a number. What is the formal parameter here? NUM, that is num, which is given along with the definition. What is the actual parameter? N1. N1 equals int input of enter any name. Look at the second statement. C is equal to cube of n1. Here we are assigning the calling of a function to a variable. That is, C is equal to cube of n1. Then we are printing the cube of a number as C, as I had given in the first example. Look at the second example. Print cube of a number is cube of n1. The calling happens in the print statement. Could you please understand, or could you differentiate what is the difference between two of the programs? In the first program, cube of n1, that is the calling, which is assigned to a variable called C. But in the second function or second example, cube of n1 is used along with the print statement. That is, after returning the cube will be printed directly. But in the first, it will be assigned to a variable called C, then only the printing happens. Look at the next one. Next example. Here we are assigning cube of n1 with an expression, that is value equal to n1 plus cube of n1. That is, cube of n1 is a return function. That is, calling a function is given along with an expression n1 plus cube of n1. We will get number plus cube. Look at the next one. Value equal to cube of n1. Print cube equals val. Very similar to C. As I said before, if you are having any return statement, look at the function definition. Cube of num that is, it is an header of the function definition. Then the statement in that function is return of n into, that is num into num into num. Return is the keyword which is used to return any value from the function to the call. I'll repeat. Return is the keyword which is used along with the function definition for returning a single value to a call. So what happens here? It is returning cube of a number which is passed in the calling statement. The next one, a function with a return statement. import math. Math is a function standard library which is having a value called pi. For getting pi only, we are giving math. Def area of R. R is nothing but the radius. So, how to find R? We are passing the value as n. Enter the radius. So, the executor will give the value for n. N will be passed to R. Then R will be multiplied with the pi value and assigned to the A. And it is returning the value A. So, after returning, it will get the value for area. The return statement ends a function execution, even if it is in the middle of a function. Anything written below return statement will become unreachable code. That is, we should have to remember to give the return statement only at the final statement, because after doing the task, return will give a return value for a calling. My dear children, look at another example, that is def max of xy. Here we are finding maximum value between x and y. If x is greater than y, it will return x, else it return y. Otherwise, it will print I am not reachable. My dear children, you can use any word that are return statement according to the task of a function. My dear children, I'll repeat, return is a keyword which we can use along with a function definition as its final return value. Till this, I am closing this session. We will discuss more in the online sessions. Thank you.